Part 3 nga pala guys. Ayan, what's up ulit? Part 3 na. Part 3. Bago nga po pala natin magsimulan ng ating video, kailangan mo muna mag-like and subscribe. Ayan, yan tayo naglaro ng mga fire. Wait lang guys, wait lang. Ito pala guys, yan. Ayan, ako po. Okay. Basahin guys, basahin. Yan o. Ang ating, dito, musical men's book. Okay. Tatantaan ko kayo guys. Tisket. Tasket. Ito po pala, ito lang. Hindi ko yun alam. Ito tayo. Ito. MacDonald had a farm. MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pig. E-I-E-I-O. With an oink here and an oink there, an oink there, an oink everywhere, an oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Ito naman tayo. Hey dad. Hey dad. The cat and the parrot, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog loved to see much fun, and the fish ran away, and the fish ran away with the spoon. Tiger. Are you sleeping? Brother Jan, morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ito pala guys, ito kayo, at tisket, a green and yellow basket. I worked a little miles on the way. I dropped it. Little boy, come below your moon. The ship in the middle, the cows in the corn. Where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack. He's stuck fast and sleep.
English nga na.
Opo.
Kaya mo bang design?
Oo, ganta nga ito eh. Tingnan mo nanay. Little boy, come below. Little boy, come below your horn. The ship in the middle, the coast is the course. Where is the boy who looks after the ship? He's under the haystack fast and sleep. Ito naman Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With an oink here and an oink there, an oink Guys, ngayon wala si Eli. Pero maganda na natin yung part 3. Part 3 ng Playmate Cassie. Basta yun. Subscribe nga po pala kayo sa aking TV. Ayan. Ito pa oh. Ito. Hey, diddle, diddle. Hey, diddle, diddle. Takat and Fadel. Ano siya? Fadel, the cow jump over the moon.
Kaya basta ka na magbasa
The
niyan.
little dog looked to see much fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. With the spoon. Ay, ito naman. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother Jan, Brother Jan. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong. Ding, ding, dong. Here we go round the mulberry bus. Here we go round the mulberry bus. The mulberry bus, the mulberry bus. Here we go round the mulberry bus so early in the morning. Nanay, bakit kaya ganun putol-putol? Tisket, atasket. Tisket, atasket. A green and yellow basket. I lick it to my beak. To my love. To my love. On the way, I drop it. Ngayon, tapos na ang ating ano. Saka ito po pala, oh. Meron pa siyang teddy bear ni nanay na pwede mong paglaruan. Ayan, oh. Hello. Sa mga baby nga po pala dyan. Ayan. Saka, ito po kasi dati pa to. Kaya rin na to dati. Dito na po. Pwede din po kayo mamili dyan. Ayan. Ding dong, ding dong. On ding, ding dong, ding dong. On petting. Ayan. Bye-bye. See you on part 4. Hanggang part 5 lang po pala ang video na to. Hanggang part 5 lang. Kaya bye-bye. See you. And hanggang part 4 ng last part. Bye-bye.